Sit comfortably. Keep your spine relaxed, not still. Let your eyes close gently. Take a small breath in and breathe out. You don't have to do anything special. You don't have to imagine anything. Just be here. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Breathing in, breathing out. As you breathe out, your body softens. Now we will chant Panchaksharam Om Namah Shivaya. This is not a prayer. This is not asking something. This is a reminder to relax into life. When you chant Om, feel the sound spreading through the body. When you chant Nama, feel the dropping of your foot as if you are bobbing inside. When you chant Shivaya, feel the stillness that is already present within. Now, chant with me slowly. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 Let the sound fade, but stay with the silence behind it. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. No rush, no goal. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Just this moment, just this breath, just this stillness. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Now chant mentally.